The flashing green light on your EETV box is one of the most common technical issues reported by customers across the UK. Understanding what this light means is the first step to resolving the problem. The green light on your EETV box communicates the device's current status through different patterns. Let's examine what each light pattern means for your device. When your EETV box shows a flashing green light, it typically means the device is attempting to establish or maintain a connection to the internet or EE servers, but is encountering difficulties in this process. Research shows that flashing green light issues stem from 4 main root causes, each with different likelihood percentages. Understanding these causes helps identify the most probable source of your problem. The majority of flashing green light issues, about 60%, are related to internet connectivity problems. This includes broadband connection issues, router malfunctions, or network congestion affecting your home network. Software and firmware problems account for about 25% of cases. These can include corrupted software updates, system file corruption, or compatibility issues between different software versions. Recent software improvements released by EE have significantly reduced the occurrence of flashing green light issues by approximately 35%. Making these problems much more manageable for customers. The first and most effective solution is power cycling your EETV box. This resolves about 70% of flashing green light issues. Unplug the power cable completely from the EETV box. Wait exactly 30 seconds to allow all internal components to fully discharge. Now reconnect the power cable and wait 2 to 3 minutes for the box to fully start up. The green light should become solid when the connection is established. If power cycling doesn't work, check your network connection. Test your broadband on other devices like phones or laptops to confirm internet is working. Next, reset your router. This clears any temporary network issues that might be preventing your EETV box from connecting properly. If basic troubleshooting fails, perform a factory reset on your EETV box. This will restore all settings to default and often resolves persistent connectivity issues. For advanced troubleshooting, check your router's network configuration. Enable UPnP in your router settings, as this helps devices communicate properly on your network. Finally, ensure your software is up to date and your account is in good standing. Check for manual software updates and verify your EE subscription is active to prevent authentication issues. These troubleshooting steps resolve over 90% of EETV box flashing green light issues. Start with the simple solutions first, then progress to more advanced steps if needed.